The British caused us this mess. Why? They formed them and the Rhodesians, Cauliflower, a British Council, which was being run from Lusaka and other entities. They actually instigated through Sitole's church to form Zanu against ZAP. They instigated and realized a feud, a social feud, which was there between Joshua Nkomo and Nkala's sister, who ended up dying in London and never stepping even into independent Zimbabwe.
So what are you saying? The British funded Zambia? The
British funded, the MI6 were onto it.
Using Cauliflower.
They funded Cauliflower. A bit of the Bennett family came in. They opened the Barclays bank account for Zanla in Dar es Salaam. They also moved 6 Land Rovers from Malawi because Banda was half-hearted for liberation and half-hearted with his English nice accent. So all these issues, then they gave the 6 Land Rovers to the Ndagana group in Mbeya because, you know, Malawi, Tanzania and Zambia, they share some sort of a close border in the Chama area. So they did that.
So Cauliflower was a point man in forming Zanla?
Forming with MI6, with typical companies with MI6. And the British knew exactly what was happening around then. The British had a stint even in the elections who was going to run Zimbabwe. You remember they knighted Mugabe. Mugabe, who was said to be a bad boy, was a British boy. Let's remember that. And you remember Mugabe, when he was released from Wawa, was escorted by a special branch and deployed into Mozambique. After the death of Chitepo, when this other guy who killed Chitepo in Lusaka, what was his name? Hind. When Hind killed Chitepo in Lusaka, he was British, former SAS, isn't it?
Yeah, Jack Hind.
Jack Hind. So people don't want to talk about this. They don't want to talk about how the British got infiltrated Zanda. Zanda started murdering each other in Chifombo, burying each other alive. The John Mataure's group, the Tongogara group, how Tongogara was arrested by the now PS Ministry of Defense, Chipakpaku, when Chipakpaku was still an NCO by Petaoke when they're trying to run away. We know all these things.